Yes, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do some video, maybe will take more than 10 minutes for symbol MFER coin. So we know this coin is trading under the Solana network, and guys, this is what I was saying about this coin. So we have this simple moving average, so we know the stock after touches down, and that's when simple moving average. Remember, this coin, guys, is still young. I think it's almost 3 months, yeah, at least 3 months or 2 months and a half since they listed, so things starts getting started. So why this coin is going down? So we have this simple moving average. So remember, guys, this simple moving average is acting as resistance. So when you find some volume which you push the stock to all the way, we break the simple moving average, you came upside. But the problem here, we started again going down, we didn't keep that, and I came from here after touches another simple moving average here. It was a support, started breaking out. And remember, guys, most things on base network collapse. Remember that day when Pret went down, that's when these things happen to this stock. And usually we have this, which is the good news. We have already have, at least right now we can say we have already find the bottom, which is, it was around 29 cents. And we have this candlestick which is here, guys. This is making another, like here you see this thing, it just try to break out. We test the moving average, we test and make another double bottom. And today, if you think yesterday this thing was up there 3 days ago, it went to 42 cents. You found the resistance, it didn't stay above the moving average. We came back, which is here right now. And I believe right now, guys, what I'm believing, that this coin is going to, after market tomorrow, so remember this, we have around, if you see my charts here, we have at least 22 hours and a half to complete this candlestick, which is green right now. This thing, when market open tomorrow, either to come down, but at the end of the evening tomorrow, we might be bounces back. And then on Thursday, this stock is going to, or coin is going to push somewhere here. And then by end of the week, we are going to see, at the end of the week, we have already stay above here. We are almost there. And this usually, guys, is acting like a resistance. You bring Bitcoin, you bring everything here, and it's acting whenever you go up, it's skyrocket. Use a stock. And let me bring like what happened when this stock skyrocket 2 days ago. Is, you will see, after this stock breaking 45 minutes, after this stock breaking 45 minutes over here, you see it went like a rock. It started from here, it break from here. That's why I was tweeting this thing going to moon. It was around 31 cents. It went up here, and then I know this thing is going to be a short term. And finally, remember, 45 minutes is something lasting like few, it doesn't take 2 days, like around 24 hours. And now we find that this candlestick, whenever you saw candlestick like this one, usually is always is called this is a bearish candlestick on 45 minutes. And you see right now on 45 minutes, as we are talking, this thing is trying to by tomorrow, in next 2 to 3 hours, remember, guys, in every 45 minutes candlestick is open. This thing is going to push out before market open. Remember, with Monday is always volatile for crypto when markets open. But remember, again, Jerome Powell is going to talk. So 45 minutes, I don't like to use 45 minutes because I want to see the long term. Because if you are invested this thing for long term. And right now let's see another, because today I will go to show you a lot of types of technical. So right now I'm going to use this displaced EMA. EMA is called exponential moving average, and you see this here, guys. Whenever you see stock is above this thing, which is around 41, which is, remember, we came all the way to around 42 cents here. Remember, this thing is still acting like if we come above here, that is bullish. So right now we are under that resistance. Right now we are working. We need people, guys. We need people buying more around this price. So even at like 45 minutes here, you see this chart is always acting together. And 3 days ago we break. After we break here, I show you the simple moving average. We ran all the way. We have that candlestick. Remember, you need to watch candlesticks, types of the candlesticks. Like right now as we are talking, we have this candlestick, which is, you see, this thing is taking off. So in next I say by June, this thing, guys. So I put 2 weeks that this coin, and see, is going to be taking off. So another thing, you can watch this area. This is around 1 week, and then 1 week, that's a lot of hours, which we are at this area. This is a solid background on this coin, and you need to be very careful. So let me bring another. I will show you. So this one this one is just started right now, and this is around 60 something cents. This is around 61, 62. Yeah, that is they call what's the name? Here is the name is called EMA exponential ribbons. So let's see oscillation to see what's going on with RSI, with stock on RSI. Remember all of these things, guys, when I'm always analyzing types of the so like a symbol here on RSI, we have on daily moving slowly by slowly. And here also you see this is, guys, showing you the name is it's called CCM, a common commodity so index, and that thing is showing you when stock coming down all the way from down there. We are like from here. Remember, guys, we came previous days, we came to around 33 cents, and then we ran more than 300%. You remember that day, from 300% to 91 cents. So this when we are on the oversold, we bounces went almost 50 with, and that's huge for right now. And another thing also, I've already shown you on RSIs, and let me try if I will find another thing that I want to show you. Wait a minute. Yeah, exactly. This why, guys, people are asking what's happened, why today, or why stock lost today some around 11%. So I will show you why. So right now we are on the bullish on stock RSI. We are around 70 right now, which is extremely bullish, which is going to keep this stock to push more. I've already talked about on the RSI, and I was telling you right now, I'm going to show you why stock was coming down on short term. It's the same 45 minutes. On 45 minutes, this thing is here, guys. So I'm sorry, it was here with wait a minute, and let me, yes, it's here. So on 45 minutes, remember we reached around that 42 cents. On stock RSI we reached oversold that's why stock came down. But right now, because that's we are using the small time frame, and you will see right now as we are talking, stock RSI here, yeah, it's already bounces. And this thing, guys, remember is short term. Remember this one started some few minutes ago around today is 19th. It started 19th today morning, and right now you see it's already up here. So this thing is showing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And let me, if I have another type of indicator here, remember this one is showing you volume and resistance. And on the short term here, okay guys, wait a minute, something interesting here coming out. So on short term here is telling you we are around this is the price around 35. If you stay above 35 cents right now, let me delete this my charts here, we are going to have another resistance around 0.04065, and then from there we are going all the way to 48, after 48 54 60. And when you print something like a daily, because I've told you I like to use daily because daily will show you everything. So the daily telling you simple thing, stock is in resistance is at 98 cents. That's why this stock, if you break the simple average, I told you this stock is going to all the way to 99 cents. Another technicals that I want to show you, because I want to delete this one now. Wait a minute, let me delete this one because a second, and this one. So this one I'm going to show you some other stuff that I like to use, and I want to use they called momentum. So momentum here, let's see what's momentum telling you. Momentum here on a daily candlestick, when stock was up here coming down, it told you stock on the under the sell, but right now it's already showing you like it's the time to buy. It's going to show you in next whenever you go above the symbol moving average. And if you come closer to 45 minutes here, it told you when stock is going to up, it told you here buy when stock around 33 cents. Remember this is the strategy. Here he told you sell when it's around 40 because hit the resistance. And right now I'm going to tell you it's going to indicate buy the stock. Remember this is 45 minutes, that's why I don't like 45, because it's telling you the small time frame. And another thing that I like to show you here is the name here, which is very important, is MACD strategy, which is I like always using. MACD strategy is the same like momentum. And when you see on 45, remember this coin is still new, sometimes it's already, this is what I like now. Remember guys, let me tell you now, and on MACD strategy is telling you, you see this one, this is why I say I want to tell you, and this one is always more accurate than the other one, and it's telling you buy. That's why it tell you buy between around 34 is the buying zone. And let's see if it told us, remember now we are using daily. Few days ago when stock coming down, it told you sell around 42, and after reaching around 35, they were still saying sell. But now finally, because I've told you we find the bottom, remember this is the important now, they told you buy the stock around this bottom. So if you find this stock around 36, this one is going to take off, because when it was selling sell, because we were a serious downtrend last week, but right now you see by your eyes telling you buy right now, and we are now going to take off. This is what I'm using right now to see most of these things. So, and the last one here, you can use even like technical rating. So remember guys, I'm telling you a lot of things, and here as not showing, but we have another one which here I like to use when I'm watching stock like this one. Remember I say I will go to show you something very important, and this one I like called stochastic slow, and it's going to tell you still I'm waiting to show you guys. Remember between this price right now, this is the buying zone, and I show you the last week all about the triangle that we are going to break out. So this thing is going to be huge, and the final one that I think that this thing can be very important to use. We can use the simple moving average lines cross, and here they tell you buy and then sell, and we are waiting for another buy. And remember guys, you must watch my videos every day, and then this thing is so, because I'm whenever you see I'm not posting anything, I'm trying to do a lot of research. And this one here, you see when it's going up, it's doing this one, yeah, and when it's going down, it's doing like this one. And you see over here there is some conjunction over here. So guys, this thing is going to be huge, and you must be, yeah, you must be very aggressive, do your own research, because you must go and learn more things about technicals. If I'm doing something wrong here, guys, tell me, and we need a light to be corrected. And another one that I like you to use is called insider par. And let's see insider, what's insider tell us right now here. Inside here it told you buy, yeah, anything inside the pie. Inside here at the corner last week and 2 days ago it told you sell, but I told you most of these things sometimes it may be lying you, or it may be telling the truth. So like here it tell you sell, and then stock come down, it tell you buy, stock still came down. And because it told you buy, that's why it told you buy, and the stock was coming down. It told you sell, but after that day stock bounces back. So yeah, sometimes these indicators is always indicating if there is a serious sell-off, there is serious buying, and that's why it's good to do your own research, because even them cannot tell you the truth. Sometimes they can be doing incomplete. And let me okay, the last one that before I finish, I would like to show you this one. This is what I was trying to tell you, distribution and accumulation. So when you see this stock right now, it's down here. This is we are under the accumulation. But when stock like here, when this stock listed, somebody else more stock were listed and came down, because when they were listed here, they were under distribution, and the distribution So it means what stock is going down because people are selling, call it distribution. With the started accumulation here, stock push up, and right now when you see the indicator here, we still under that accumulation, and the stock is not under distribution. Distribution is when something's above here at almost overbought, and down here they call accumulation. And I want you use the same thing right now because I'm going to show you PTC, how PTC was doing on accumulation and the distribution, because that one is perfect. So when you see over here, this when PTC half year, when PTC was around 30,000, it was under the accumulation, but recently it's already up there almost, you see, and is right now Bitcoin is on the almost distribution because it's still going up, accumulation that is going to be soon going to be distributed. So guys, thank you so much. Let me know what you think about my technicals.